Hello everyone, welcome to Re's Freedom Sketch. My name is Reno Indiono, I'm your host, and this is my first video called How to Sketch Loose. Before we get started, I want to share with you a little bit my story here. I'm a full-time in an education and I have a family, and I wanted to bring up something that is very fast, very easy to do, but very flowy and maximum artistic expression. And this is what I came up with a lot of help as well on YouTube researching. And sketching is something that I always wanted to do, and this is now my progress. But also I wanted to share with you that everything is possible, even though it seems maybe sometimes you don't have enough time. And this is something that worked for me, and I'm sure that this will work out for you as well. And if you like this style, then probably you should definitely check this out. And if you want to get started right away, I have a free tutorial which you can sign up in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's go right into this. I have here my sketchbook. This is I just started just a few days ago, and this is some examples that I have right here. With except this one, this is what my daughter did, and here I have some examples of how this work looks like. And I wanted to do with you a live sketching, so you can see in full real time. And I wanted to share and show you a reference that I got from a friend of mine, which is this beautiful space here. I don't know if you can see it. I will zoom in a little bit. I will put it right here next to the mouse here. I just wanted to put it like that, and then we can go right into the session right here. This is the live session. No shortcuts, nothing, really just live. I will put it on this paper here on the red side. So let's just get it started. Now I'm using the Tombow pen right here. This is I'll put also, where is the camera? There it is. I will put also, I'm not sure if this is autofocusing or not, probably not. But I will also put the link inside the below this video, and you can check that out for yourself. This is something I use. This is a brush pen, and this has been a very good pen for myself. This works really well, and maybe you like this style as well. So I'm watching the reference, and I'm trying to make it a little bit smaller. It's not filling the whole page, but it's like a little bit thumbnail-y. And this is how I am starting. So I'm not really looking at the detail here. What I'm trying to do is I'm just gonna do it really loosely, and just catch the feeling of that landscape that I have here in front of me. So I'm just really going loosely, and this is all the water that there is coming in, and maybe later you'll see that it will come more and more to life. And this is also a very important part here, the water around that. And then we have here the tree on the side as well. I'm just gonna go really loose, like this is how I really like to work on this. So first the landscape, and just go really loose. And then we have here the water, body water. We have here in the middle also some bushes, or sort of bushes, and then go here into the water area. So we can do just a little bit of reinforcing there, and then a little bit of, let's put some clouds right there. And this is all about loosen up, right? This is not about the exact rigid shape that we're trying to find out. This is some more about artistic freedom that you can just have fun and enjoy. And now this is already the shape that I have for this sketch. Now I'm going more into the detail in a sense that I'm going to try to catch the essence of the movement of this particular urban style. So for example, here the water has a very distinct art of flowing into the other water, like that. This has a little bit movement to the side here. There's something like a rock there, and this has more curvy movement. There is something, a gap in between, and then there's a little bit of thinner line there. And you can also just, for example, not focus on exactly the movements here. You can also just loosen up in a sense that you can just have fun with the imaginary movements that there is, and have fun here. For example, just there is this one line here. Now these are the bigger movements, let's say, and then you can put in a little bit of smaller movement there, here and there, to get a little bit of a contrast of the movement. I just wanted to tell you also, you know, this needs a little bit of just basics, perception of how to draw. And if you are a total beginner, then you can check it out. I have a whole tutorial ready for you. Just check out the link in my description, and then you can have that that tutorial. It's already ready for you basically, and that covers just the basics, so you can get started right away. You know, it's about perspective. It's about just objects, how they basically work if you deconstruct them into their very primitive forms. So this is just a little bit of shadowing right there. We have just a little shadow right there. We're gonna go a little bit more shadow here, and then darken this area up, right, like so. And then we're gonna put just a little bit of shadows here as well. This is very light. I'm doing a very light work here. Light work with the lines, just to have a little bit of contrast. There we go. Good. Perfect. And now if we want to work on these bushes or trees right there, I'm just gonna put in, for example, a little bit of form, you know, capturing the essence of that, the bushes or the trees. Just have a little bit different form than the waterfalls. Maybe I'm doing an X shape right there. Just a little bit darken here. Perfect. Now this is quite light area here, so I'm not gonna do a lot of shadows like that. That's fine. I'm gonna do a little bit of a tree movement here, upwards. Perfect. And then put a little bit more dark areas here. Perfect. Here we have a little bit of a taller kind of trees, especially here. So what I'm trying to do is here on the foreground, I'm doing it a little bit bigger, and then in the background, I'm doing it a little bit smaller, like so. Now, and then try to capture a little bit the movement here. It's kind of a little bit off with the, in a sense, it's a little bit off with the movement of the water here, but that's fine. It's not about, you know, it's not about having it perfect. It's gonna be a little bit more clear, hopefully, at least with the watercolor. So I'm gonna end up this line work here, and I'm gonna move on to the water part. All right, there you go. This is watercoloring. All right, I'm gonna start with the blue, just very loosely. It's a lot of water, more water actually than the color. All right, just gonna go a little bit like that. Perfect. I have to put that a little bit to the side because I need the other palettes, which is down there. Just go really loosely. Like that. And add a little bit of water here. Go. Just a little bit of reflections there. And then just add a little bit of brown here on this water. And that's it. It's a little bit, it's quite different actually than it is. I didn't capture the water movement quite well, but that's fine. This is about, you know, just having fun and trying loosely. So if you like this style, then you should definitely check this out. And join my newsletter if you want to learn more about this. And I'll see you all in the next video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video, just like I said. All right, bye bye.